In this video, we will learn how to use the randomize color effect on a photo with gradient map in Photoshop 2024. At the beginning of the video, go to the layer panel. Click the adjustment layer icon. Click on the gradient map. Select the gradient map 1 layer. Click on the blending option. Select soft light. From properties, click on the gradient map slider. Click on the type dialog box. Click on noise. Reduce roughness 30%. Click on randomize. You can see different type of color effect in the photo. Click the OK button. Now let's use this gradient map color effect in another photo. Thanks for watching the video.